So today's tutorial is all about how you can use MidJourney over on your Discord. So just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so first what you're gonna do is to go to any of your browser, and over there you have to go to this link, which is discord.com/invite/MidJourney, and it will basically allows you to join the server of MidJourney. Just simply click on continue to Discord and you will be able to join the server of MidJourney. So you can see once I click on it, and you will redirect you to the Discord, and it will look like this. Now just simply click on join MidJourney, and here we go. Now you have to simply they will ask you some questions, so you have to answer them. And alright, so you can see I have successfully joined MidJourney server over on my Discord. So you can see there is a lot of traffic on this server. So what we're gonna do, we will call this MidJourney bot to our server. And for that, here you can see, click on see all, and you can join any of the channel from here. Once you click on any of the channel, here you will find MidJourney bot. So just simply click on it and click on add to server. Now select your server and click on continue. Now scroll down and then click on authorize. Now verify the reCAPTCHA. And here we go. Now the MidJourney bot is successfully called to our server. I'll show you. So this is my server, and you can see now the MidJourney bot is available here. Now in order to generate the AI images, so what you're gonna do, first of all go to the channel, and over there you have to type /imagine and just write your sentence to generate the AI image. You can just use the words to generate AI images. And I'm going to type here a brave soldier in a war, let's say. Alright, so now you have to accept the terms of services. So click on accept TOS, and here we go. Now it will get a few seconds to generate your AI image. So you have to just wait for it. And you can see how amazing the AI generates this art. Look at the quality. This is insane. So this is basically how you can use MidJourney over on your Discord. So all for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.